Good morning, students. Today we were supposed to start with the question answer session of the chapter Memories of Childhood. But I'm sorry to say that today I'm not going to send you the PDF related to that chapter since CBSE yesterday sent the new curriculum, and according to that new curriculum the following chapters and following topics in reading and writing sections have been deleted for the session 2021. So just mark very carefully the deleted topics. In reading section we have two topics, comprehension and note making. So note making, which was of 8 marks, now has been deleted by CBSE. You will not find the question of note making in your exam now. In writing section we were having notice, poster, advertisement and invitation in the short composition, but now poster has been deleted from your syllabus and we have notice, advertisement and invitation in the short composition now. In letter writing we were having business letters, which are now deleted from your chapters. We were having application for job and inquiry letters, letter to editor. So now in a way we are having only one letter, that is letter to editor. Rest of the letters and application for job, we are still having these two letters in the syllabus. So sending replies, making inquiries, placing orders and all that, registration, complaints, all these letters have been deleted now from your syllabus. Coming to the long composition, we were having 4 topics: article, speech, debate and report. Speech and debate, now these 2 topics have been deleted and now we are left with only 2 topics. These are article and report writing. Coming to the literature, we started Vistas and we were very proud to say that we were about to complete 6 chapter. For my dear students, very sorry to say that second chapter, Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth and Memories of Childhood, all these 3 chapters have been deleted by CBSE. So in a way we can say that our efforts are proved futile, not fruitful, because these were interested chapters. Okay, doesn't matter, still we learnt a lot going through these chapter. In Tiger King we have come to know about social evil, bribery and second cruelty towards animal, believing in astrology and all that. In Journey to the End of the Earth we have come to know the problems being faced by the planet Earth, which is something important in our life. Memories of Childhood again gives us some idea regarding social discrimination based on caste, color, creed, religion, rationality and all that. Doesn't matter. So now we are not going to prepare these chapters. Coming to the book Flamingo, last 3 chapters, Potent Pancake, Interview, Going Places, have been deducted straightforward. These are the last 3 chapters, and the poem which was re-included last year again has been excluded. So in Flamingo now we are having only 5 chapters, I think 1 to 5. First one is the last lesson, second one is Lost Spring, third one is Deep Water, fourth one is Rat Trap, and the fifth one is Indigo. So in this way, straightforward chapter number 5, 6 and 7 have been deleted from your syllabus. And in poetry section, the second last poem, Roadside Stand, which was re-included last year again has been excluded. So again we are left with only counted 5 poems: Mother at 66, An Elementary School Classroom in a Slum, Keeping Quiet, Thing of Beauty, and Aunt Jennifer's Tiger. So now for today only, I just want to discuss the revised syllabus with you. Mention somewhere in your notebook, especially the notebook of literature, on the very first page, paste this page as deduction of syllabus for the session 2020. Thank you. That's all for today. See you the next week.